Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 8i to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app. This one's sorry from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Send on Realme and Receive on an Android. Following that, you need to choose all of those dots and select Send to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Then click Got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Samsung, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like My Files. Go into, in my case, Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!